Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryllaw. In today's video, we are reviewing Patrick Ta's brow lamination gel. I bought the mini size. If you guys want to know, is this brow lamination gel gonna keep my Asian brows hair in place? Please keep watching. Before we start, can we just take a second to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, and let's get started. I bought a mini size. I don't want to commit to a full size if it doesn't work. I have huge faith in Patrick Ta's product. I believe the mini size is £13 for 2.5 grams and the full size is £24 for 5 grams. I haven't done any of my blushes because I want to try to film a road blushes video after this. So yeah, should we just give it a go? Okay, so that's what the head looks like. You can see it's just like a little brush. So let's just try them on together. Oh god, I'm actually so excited. Okay. Whoa, okay. It's very much remind me of his brow wax. Okay, it's doing something. Look, this is like kind of like one coat. Well, actually it dries down quite quickly. First impression, I don't like those glue. If you guys can see, there's like little white. You can't see, it doesn't pick up. Like there's like a glue thing on my brows, which I absolutely hate. Like this. Do you see this? Okay, so you have to work with it quite fast. Oh no, I don't like it. This is a disaster. I want to show you the reality. That's what happens when you first try a product and you're not used to it. First impression. After, before, this has absolutely nothing. It does give a little lift, but you have to work with it pretty quickly. Maybe that will go away if I'm very used to this product and I don't have to kind of brush it back and forth. But this kind of reminds me of a little bit of the Got To Be brow. A bit better, I would say. It's not completely laid flat. Oh my god, this is like an absolute glue. Can't even brush it through. Okay, I'm not a huge fan. I don't like that. I can't go back to it. Look, and it's stuck. And it gives me this little white stuff. I hate it. Like, I'm really particular with brows product. Okay, I'm devastated. I just lost 2-3 brows hair on here. As an Asian, your brows hair are precious. So I'm actually pissed. If you guys don't want to lose any brows hair, don't go back with the brush. Like, and there's one more coming out here. Okay, I'm not gonna go back and forth to it again anymore. I'm just gonna fill in these brows, and yeah, don't be like me, guys. Look, I'll give you one more chance. You see the little brow hair here? We're gonna try to lift this one, because with a next brows glue, you can lift it. See, it doesn't do it. It doesn't go up to connect with his fella. I'm gonna try now, next brows glue. Because these two little hair always annoys me. You see? I'm really sad, guys. Like, and I lost 3 brows hair. Wait. Okay, it looks okay, but I swear to God, like there were so many dots. I fixed it many times. Okay, guys. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. I'm really sorry that I'm not a huge fan. Like, I really love Patrick Ta, and I remember when he came up with the brows wax. I love it. But this one, it just really reminds me of the Got To Be brows glue or hair gel, which you can buy for like £6. I even remember, but it's really cheap. This is £13 for 2.5 grams. I'm not talking about the price, but on its own, you see that I lost a few brows hair. Maybe let's just say it's a personal preference. I don't really like the feeling of the gel stucking on. It's not really stuck, but once it's dried down, you can't really move it, and it just really glued to your skin. I normally love to use my eyebrows powder. When I try to fill in my brows with the brows powder, it's not as pigmented, which I don't like because I like brows powder. I need to use a brows pencil, which I don't really use a brow pencil, but in this occasion to fix it, I have to. I would say I really recommend the brows glue. I have been through so many of these. It's really great. It really glues down your brows hair, but I love it. As you can see that the little hair was falling down on my brows, I literally just push it upward and it just glued down. With this one, it doesn't do that. If you want to buy this, you can just buy the got2b brows gel or brows glue or got2b hair gel, but I have the brows one. Recently I bought the Anastasia brows gel. On its own, it doesn't do anything, which I'm really pissed about, and I don't want to throw it away. And also when it came like this. You hear the sound. Doesn't really matter. Most of the time after I use the brows gel, I feel like, okay, the brow hair is a bit too stick down. I can use this to kind of brush it upwards, bring the brows hair back to life. With this one, you better don't do that. Like, you saw what I did. The hair fall out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Does this brow lamination gel work for you? Have you guys tried the got2b's brows gel and NYX brows glue? Let me know what you think. Does it work for you? Does it work for your Asian brows hair? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And before you go, can we just subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram? I'll see you guys next time.